Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you the Nintendo Switch working on a 32-year-old Pocket TV. This is a Sony Watchman from 1986, and at the moment I've got Zelda on it. Now this is a black and white CRT TV, so even though it's absolutely tiny, it is actually a CRT TV. It's a flat one, so it's pointing up in this direction. That's the reason that the screen is slanted like this. So if you zoom in now, you will be able to see Zelda working. And then in a second now, I'm going to show you the actual setup. So if you can see it there. Looks pretty good for a 32-year-old Pocket TV. Right, let me show you the actual setup. So here we have the Nintendo Switch here, and coming out of the Nintendo Switch we've got a HDMI cable which is digital. We need to convert the digital to analog, so I'm using this HDMI to AV converter. You get them off eBay and Amazon for around about £10, and from here it goes in as digital and it comes out as analog, and it's coming out as composite, which is the yellow, white and red connectors, these connectors here. And then from here we need to convert this into RF. Now you can buy converters, but I'm just using an old VHS player, so a video recorder. So from here it goes into the video recorder, and then on video recorders normally you will have an RF output at the back. So if you have a look at the back here, at the bottom you have an RF out, this one here. Now, because the signal's so weak coming out of there, we have to amplify this. So we're just putting on a little booster. This is just a normal booster that you get. And then from here, we've got the aerial plugged into the booster. So all we're doing is, the RF signal comes out there, but it's very weak. We're boosting that RF signal, and we're got an aerial connected to it, and basically then the Watchman will pick up this aerial here and it will work. Now we have to make sure it's a very weak signal, because if you were to boost it maybe a couple of times, so put it through one amplifier then another amplifier, then the signal is going to be too strong, and it could actually be illegal, because it's the same as a pirate TV, because you're broadcasting the signal out. But in this instance here, it's only going to work within the confines of my house. So then what we have to do is we have to turn on the TV and we have to tune it into the signal that this aerial is pumping out. So let's put up the aerial, we need to turn it on, and then we've got a little tuner wheel here, so I'm just going to turn the tuner wheel, and you can see that this is just moving here, and then when I get to the right frequency the Nintendo Switch will come up on it. There we go. Okay, so let me just tune that in a little bit better. There we go, so now we've got the Nintendo Switch working there. And if I was to undock it, watch this, it will come on here as normal, and then if you watch the TV screen here, when I dock it again, the picture will come back up on it. There we go. Right, let me show you some games working. Okay, so let's do a bit of Mario Kart. Right, so here we have Mario Kart. Resolution surprisingly good. Remember, this is a CRT. Right, let me show you another game. Right, let's try a bit of, let's go to Metal Slug 3. Right, okay, so you get the idea of it. So put down in the comments what you think of the 32-year-old Pocket TV. This video really is just to show that it is possible to do stuff like this. In reality, you're not going to play this because the screen's smaller than the Nintendo Switch itself. Gives you a slight idea of what the Switch Mini might look like if it ever came out. Imagine if they did it in a CRT version. Right, okay, so give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.